All right, the box, the bag, it just comes out exactly like this. Let's see what's in there. Quite a beefy unit. Corded if you don't use these often. Frankly, a corded is probably best. You don't have to maintain a charge. If you leave any battery too long, then you ruin the battery. So they give you all these. They give you a Delta head with various sandpaper hook and loop attachment that just pops on there. Nice to have. And they give you, let's see, wood and metal, one wood blade, one sort of drywall and wood arced blade, and then a wood and metal, probably a bimetal blade. And I'm going to pull a blade I already have, put it on here, plug it in, and just see how it goes for vibration and stuff like that. So we're going to try this just generic commodity blade, see if it fits. Should. Okay, so kind of a bummer. You have to have the adapter that a lot of these blades ship with to use this on here. I toss them. I've never had a tool that I've had to have an adapter for these generic blades. This one seems to be the exception, so I'm going to open that's kind of a bummer. So I'm going to open the Dremel blade. We'll get the wood blade out. These are all the same. Basically, they don't last long, but I want to get an idea of vibration. Kind of complicated there. All right, let's plug it in. Got speed broken down into 10 segments. Yeah, so let's plug it in. I've got some scrap maple. That was all the way at the lowest. We're going to go all the way to the highest setting. There you go. It works. Vibration is pretty normal, like what you would expect on something like that. Nothing too amazing. Yeah, it's okay. Like that's kind of a pain because you can't just buy any cheap blade on the market. This whole situation where you have to loosen it, do this, put it back, and then tighten it down, that's time consuming. So this is definitely for, personally, if I had to use this all the time, I would not be buying this. If I used it occasionally, that might be a good option.